In this video, I want to show you how to fix Bluetooth issues you're having with your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 and A11 Plus. So there's a few things you can try. Let's start with the easiest. The easiest thing once you have this kind of a Bluetooth issue is to simply do a reboot. This will not erase anything. To do a reboot, a force reboot, is to go on the right side. This is the power button. This is volume down. This is volume up. We need to keep pressed with 2 fingers on the power button and volume down until you get to see the Samsung logo appearing on the display. So I'm pressing volume down and power button. I'm not releasing these until I see the Samsung logo. Usually in under 10 to 15 seconds it should appear. So let's just be patient. I'm still keeping pressed. And it should come out right over here now. Let's see. Here we go. The Samsung logo appeared. I can release, and now the tablet will reboot. Many times what you're experiencing is some software glitches, software issues, and doing the reboot will simply put everything back where they should, and it will work. Now, if this trick didn't achieve what you wanted, you're still having Bluetooth problems, let's go to trick number 2. I'll wait over here until the tablet is turned completely on. Okay, so for the next tip is to do a reset of the Bluetooth of the tablet. It's not again a factory reset. It will not delete everything, just the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So to do so, open the settings. And then in the settings, the easiest thing to get access to it, tap the magnifying glass and simply type reset. Oops, let me correct over here. Okay, reset. You're going to see reset, tap on it. And now you are in that menu. Click on reset over here. And then you get to see reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. This is the one we need to tap on. Select reset settings. As it says, this will reset all your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. This can be undone. So this is what I want. I'll press reset settings, and I'll get a confirmation message that it has been done. At this point, what you need to do is to obviously connect back all your devices since they're all been disconnected. So go into the Bluetooth settings afterwards, turn it on, and one by one connect back with everything else. If you're still having issues, another thing that I suggest is that you do an update of your tablet. If you didn't do one during a long time, unfortunately, there's a good chance that this was the issue. Okay, so into the settings, you simply have to go back into settings, select device care, and in device care, go down and you're gonna get software update right over here. Tap on it, download and install. Connect yourself to the internet, obviously, and by pressing download and install, if there is an update available, it will do it right away. And fortunately, this will finally fix your problem. Now, the last thing I suggest in case nothing works is to do a full factory reset. To do that, you need to go back into the reset menu. So magnifying glass, type reset, tap reset, and then go down and select factory data reset. Your tablet will be like a brand new one, and fortunately the problem will also be gone. Thanks for watching. If you have any other solutions, leave a comment down below. Tell me what worked for you. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.